Mechanical boards are gaining popularity among typists and gamers alike for their tactile feedback, durability, and customizable layouts. With so many options available, it's important to evaluate key factors like switch type, build quality, layout design, and overall value. In this guide, we've tested and reviewed the best brake bleeder kits that make one-person brake bleeding quick and efficient. Here are our top picks to help you choose the perfect kit. List number 3-liter brake bleeder kit. Manual brake bleeder vacuum pump kit. Brake fluid bleeder kit with 1-liter brake bleeder bottle. This manual 3-liter brake bleeder kit is designed for easy one-person operation. It comes with a 3-liter pressure tank, a durable hand pump, and a 1-liter catch bottle. Its large capacity makes it perfect for flushing and filling brakes or clutches without frequent refilling. The clear tubing and secure fittings help prevent air bubbles, ensuring a clean bleed. The build quality is solid, and the kit is compatible with most vehicles. Budget-friendly yet professional, this is a great starter. List 2. Allstar Performance All LL11017 bleeder bottle with magnet and check valve. Compact and clever, the Allstar Performance All LL11717 bleeder bottle is ideal for DIYers and professionals. It features a strong magnet that attaches the bottle securely to any metal surface near the brake, keeping your hands free. The built-in check valve prevents air from being sucked back into the brake system. Its simplicity is its strength. No pumps or compressors required. Lightweight, affordable, and easy to store. It's a great choice for quick maintenance jobs on cars, trucks, and motorcycles. List number 3. Billy Tools 3L Vacuum Brake Bleeder Kit. One-person pneumatic brake fluid and clutch bleeding extractor tool with adapters. For those with access to an air compressor, the Billy Tools 3L pneumatic brake bleeder is a powerful and efficient option. It operates using compressed air to create a vacuum, pulling brake fluid through the system with minimal effort. The kit includes a range of adapters to fit different master cylinders and vehicles, making it versatile. Its 3-liter tank allows for complete fluid replacement in larger vehicles. Reliable and professional grade, it's perfect for busy garages and serious enthusiasts. List number 4. Smotive Pro 2-liter manual brake bleeder fluid pump. One-man professional brake bleeder kit suitable for most Europeans, specifically tailored for European vehicles. The Smotive Pro 2-liter manual brake bleeder offers precision and reliability. It comes with a 2-liter pressure pump, a built-in pressure gauge, and European-compatible adapters. The pressure gauge helps you maintain consistent pressure while bleeding, ensuring a bubble-free system. Its compact design and high-quality materials make it both durable and portable. Great for BMWs, Audis, VWs, and more. This is a must-have for European car owners who prefer DIY maintenance. List number 5. Orion Motortech Brake Bleeder Kit with hand vacuum pump and adapters. Brake bleeding kit for brake fluid, power steering fluid, more. The Orion Motortech Brake Bleeder Kit is an all-in-one solution for bleeding brakes, clutches, and even power steering systems. The kit includes a sturdy hand vacuum pump, hoses, and a variety of adapters to fit almost any vehicle. Its multifunctionality sets it apart, letting you tackle different maintenance tasks with a single tool. Compact yet capable, it's a great pick for home garages and casual mechanics who value versatility and affordability.